was working real hard in the gravel yard when I came across a silver coin. You know it wasn't that much, but I tried my luck because it had enough of being employed. Yes, it had enough of being employed. Mama, mama, don't worry long for me. I'm a man and I must find my trade. Mama, mama, can't you tell Sue for me? If I stay here, I'd die in a working man's grave. Well, I was dead flat broke and there wasn't no joke. I was swimming in a pile of debt. But I have to admit that when I up and split, I pulled an iron shackle from my neck. An iron shackle from my neck. Mama, mama, don't worry long for me. I'm a man and I must find my trade. Mama, mama, can't you tell Sue for me? If I stay here, I'd die in a working man's grave. Well, it's been some years and I've grown a beard and I've taken to the life I lead. When I think of the past, I'm thinking just lies. I got everything I ever need. I got everything I ever need. When I turned to leave, I heard the pit boss scream, "Son, you know you never return." Well, I didn't say a word, I just slipped him the bird. That's the last of me that it hurt. Son of a bitch, should've learned.